Y'all, this Outre Neesha line has to be the best line of 2019. I'm sorry, I said it and I'm gonna say it again. Outre, this is the best wig of 2019. Look like my real hair, girl. Like, you better get you one, cause she is like pretty, okay? I can't keep my hands on my hair, I just can't. Y'all, this hair feels so freaking soft. Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today, once again, I told you I was coming back with another awesome wig review that's brought to you by Outre. Now this is actually another Outre Neesha brand unit because I told you that they have recently launched 201, 202, and 203. And these units, the first one I reviewed was bomb, okay? Now this second one, I'm sure it's gonna be bomb, but we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. Here is a unit that I'll be reviewing for you ladies today. This is Outre's Neesha, and this is the style, what we got here? 201. Alright, so the last unit that I reviewed was Neesha 203. I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing this unit, so I'll be right back. Alright ladies, so here is Outre Neesha 201 to be exact. And here is the stock card of this unit. She looks really pretty on the stock card. And this unit comes in a variety of many other colors that you most definitely can choose from. And the color that I'll be reviewing for you ladies today is this DRFF Black Cherry color. Here is what this color of this unit look like. It looked really good. Here is the hairline. And this unit comes with your 3 standard wig clips, 2 in the front here, and 1 in the back as well. So this unit is most definitely big head, small head, and medium size head friendly to be exact. Alright ladies, so I am gonna go ahead and put this shit on my head. Alright. Now we are most definitely gonna see what this unit is working with. Okay, alright. Alright ladies, so this is what this unit looks like. As soon as I put it on my head, this unit feels very soft. Like, it's really soft. All this hair feels phenomenal. It's really soft. Alright, so I'm gonna shift this unit as a side part and see what this unit is looking like. And honey, I think I'm gonna wear this as a side part today, honey. Okay, please. Yes, I am. Y'all, okay, I'm gonna be wearing this shit as a side part because she is like so freaking cute. She's cute, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off this unit, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start putting powder on this unit. As usual, I'm gonna go in with my palette, and the color that the shade that I'll be using today is this shade right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting powder right here in the front of the unit, just so it can lighten up just a little bit and blend just a little bit, because right now I'm kind of in a rush. And of course, if you do wear this unit, you can most definitely glue this unit down. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this, and I'm gonna like kind of make it a little bit, I'm just gonna try to make it lay a little bit more flatter because it's just sitting a little bit poofy. So we are most definitely going to flatten out this part right here. Alright, so you guys see how well it takes heat onto this side. This is the only side that I laid flat. Now I'm about to go ahead and lay this side. So what do y'all think about this unit? Now she is pretty. Look like my real hair, girl. Like, you better get you one, cause she is like pretty, okay? I can't keep my hands on my hair. I just can't. Okay, and this hair, y'all, this hair feels so freaking soft. Like, it's really, really soft. I love this unit a lot. Thank you so much, Outre, for sending me this unit to review for you ladies. Like, I really, truly appreciate it a lot. This unit is really, really cute. This color, y'all, look at this color. Y'all, look at the parting space. Y'all. It looks really, really cute. I really do like this unit a lot, y'all. Y'all, this Outre Neesha line has to be the best line of 2019. I'm sorry, I said it and I'm gonna say it again. Outre, this is the best wig of 2019. I said it, y'all better not come for me because that's my opinion. Outre, you guys did a phenomenal job on launching the Outre Neesha wigs. You guys did a phenomenal job. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, most definitely subscribe, and I'll catch you ladies in my next video.